Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm running across Europe from the west coast of Ireland to Istanbul, unsupported, using the running buggy you can see behind you. And to document it, every day I've recorded a 30-minute or more POV running video by putting the GoPro camera on the handlebar of the buggy. Um, it's been a hell of a journey so far. Been over 4 months now. I'm in Bulgaria, and there's a little over a week to go. Um, yeah, it's been a crazy journey. Across Ireland and the UK, down through Europe, over the Alps, and into the Balkans. Um, Pretty close to the end now, but the end is by no means guaranteed. Uh, yeah, I think I've got a stress fracture in my right foot, and got an infection in my left foot on one of the toes. But yeah, keep soldiering on. Um, all said and done, it'll probably be 5,000 kilometers by the time it's finished. And yeah, I wanted a way to document this, so that's why I brought the GoPro with me. Um, I think it suits my personality, and I'm not big on social media or anything like that. It's not something I enjoy, but yeah, I'm glad I took the camera with me because I think it's an interesting series. It's every day I'm in somewhere new, so I don't really know what's ahead of me each day. Some days I do look at the map and see what's coming, but yeah, most of the days I don't know what's ahead of me, just like the viewer. So yeah, Europe's an incredible place, and it's been an incredible journey so far. So I hope you enjoy it, even if you like travel videos or POV running videos or just vlogs. Um, the original plan with this series was to just do the POV running videos and not talk. But as you'll see, even from the first episode, the real world just gets involved, like whether it's traffic or getting lost or people talking to me while I'm recording. I also I had planned to maybe like explain how the journey was going in a separate format, maybe like once a week record audio sort of podcast and explain how it's going. But I quickly realized the two things should go together. So I start to talk over the videos and explain how the day is going or the previous day and the journey as a whole. So it takes a little while for the series to find its feet, but you'll see that even from the first episode, I kind of at the end realised I should say something and explain how it's going. Um, as for why I'm doing this, it's a question I get a lot, and I'm still honestly trying to figure it out beyond just it's something I wanted to do. I like running. I'm by no means an accomplished runner, um, but I do enjoy running, and I wanted to push myself. Uh, like I said, it's gonna be over 5,000 kilometers, I think, or nearly 5,000 when I'm finished. And on the days I'm running, I'm averaging about a marathon. So yeah, it's been really tough, but really, really enjoyable. Um, and I decided to do some good with this trip and raise some money for Autism Assistance Dogs Ireland. It's a really great charity that helps autistic kids and their families by giving them an assistant dog. They do it free of charge. They don't get any government assistance, and yeah, they can really change a family's life and help the kids out um, in numerous ways. But they also provide a friend for kids that might struggle otherwise to make friends. So that's something that really appealed to me. Uh, as I get into in the series, I was diagnosed autistic a few years ago. While I wouldn't have needed an assistance dog, I always wanted to pick something in that area, and it's a charity that I came across that, um, yeah, it just seems to do a lot of good. And I wanted to help out. So, if you do enjoy the series, I'm raising money at the moment, but I won't be putting these videos out until the run is over. So, uh, I'd like to raise money through the YouTube series as well, because as I mentioned, I'm not very good at promoting myself on social media and the like. So while I've raised a fair bit, I'd like to raise even more if people enjoy the YouTube videos. So check out the link in the bio, and yeah, just enjoy the series. Like I said, it's not planned each day. Sometimes I do look ahead and see, oh, here's the probably gonna be the nicest part, or whatever. But yeah, it's kind of random each day what you get. But yeah, Europe's a really cool place, a lot of cool people, and like I said, it's been a hell of an adventure. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Um, yeah, enjoy.